In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower the pitch of a track in Soundation. First, open your web browser and head to the Soundation website. This tutorial assumes you already have an account and a project ready to edit. Once you're on the site, log into your account using your usual credentials so you can access your workspace. After you're signed in, navigate to your projects area. This is where all your saved work lives. Find the project you want to edit and open it. Give the studio a moment to load. You'll see your tracks laid out on the timeline, along with the mixer and the inspector or editor panels around the workspace. Next, select the track whose pitch you want to change. Click directly on the track or the specific audio clip so it's highlighted. Selecting the correct track is important because any pitch adjustment you make will apply only to the track that's currently selected. Now look for the change pitch option. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find this in a side panel or inspector when a track or clip is selected. It may be labeled as change pitch, pitch, or transpose. You're looking for controls that show a numeric value measured in semitones, along with plus and minus buttons. Use the plus and minus signs to adjust by semitone. One semitone equals 1/2 step in musical terms, so each click is a small, precise change. To lower the pitch, tap the minus button to move the value into negative numbers. For example, -2 semitones will drop the pitch by 2/2 steps, which is noticeable but usually still natural. If you want a deeper, moodier tone, try lowering it by 3 to 5 semitones and listen to how it sits with the rest of your mix. As you decrease the value, keep an ear on clarity. Large pitch shifts can introduce artifacts or change the character of the sound, especially on vocals and complex instruments. Subtle adjustments often preserve quality better, and small changes stack nicely across a mix. Remember, you're changing the pitch of the selected track only, not the entire project, so repeat the process on other tracks if needed for consistency. When you've reached the sound you're after, note the semitone value so you can match it for other clips later if you want a cohesive result. That's all there is to it. Go to Soundation, log in, open your project, select your track, find change pitch, and use the minus button to lower the pitch by semitones. With a few careful clicks, you can reshape the tone of your track to fit your creative vision.